Please welcome the man who just won the Madrid Open and the winner of the Laureus World Breakthrough of the Year, Carlos Alcaraz.
Buenas noches a todos. En primer lugar quería dar la enhorabuena a todos los nominados para este premio, que también se lo merecen, tanto como yo, por un gran...
Carlos Alcaraz has won the best player of the UEFA, of course, and it's all about the great tournament. Carlos Alcaraz, the champions, and of course, it's an incredible award, fantastic award. He is just speaking so many things, and so much more. He is just speaking about the support that he has got from the fans and the nominees. As he used to say that he is just he feels so special. He feels so incredible after winning this award, and in fact, he is just saying that he is going to continue to fight for the fans. He is just going to continue for the fans. In fact, it should be quite clear that Carlos Alcaraz is just one among of the good player, the champion of the open champion, and of course he has won this award. It means a lot, and he's just speaking so many things, so much more. The cutters, this is just the cutters of the Laureus awards. There is just a provision of a lot of awards here, and as you have just seen this occasion which is filled with a lot of talented men and women, and in fact here this one is just also as magnificent, and Lionel Messi is just smiling here, and fantastically the woman is just speaking a lot. She is just trying to express herself about the situation, and of course the fightings that he has been passing through, and in fact he used to say that he feels so special and incredible to win that today's award, and he can't wait to fight hard so as to win more titles, to win more trophies, and to win more awards. Of course, he feels so special. He is just admitting now, and this is just a special occasion. The Laureus World Sports